Hey everyone, welcome back. Is your battery dropping fast while playing Pixel slow, or does your phone get uncomfortably hot after just a few levels? Here's the fix. First, remove your phone case while playing, since cases trap heat and stops it from escaping during Pixel slow's graphics rendering. Never charge your phone while playing, since charging and gaming together generate the most heat of any combination. Close every other app running in your recent app list before starting a session, since background apps add extra load on the processor or that Pixel Flow needs for its physics and conveyor animations. Go to your settings, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage and free up space, since low storage forces the processor to work harder, loading level data, generating more heat and draining battery faster. After that, go back and go to display and brightness, tap on it and lower your screen's brightness, since that is one of the biggest battery drains during any extended play sessions. If your phone still runs hot, take short breaks between longer sessions to let it cool down naturally. So all you've got to do is remove your case, never charge while playing, close background apps, free up storage and lower brightness. Your phone stays cooler and lasts longer, and that's it. Subscribe.